The next question, question number 9. Let me draw the circle. Okay. Now I need to mention these points. So this is O. Now exactly there is a hit along the diameter. And then there is another hit. And then from O you have a hit. This is A, this is B, and then you have a hit to the circumference. So this point is C, this point is D. We are asked to find Y. You're asked to find X. This is given as 37 degrees. Okay, and this is given as 49 degrees. Okay, now they are asking us to give the geometrical name for OA and for BC. Now OA, from the center to the circumference, this is going to be called as a radius. Okay, now BC, this region is called as the chord. So these two are the technical names and you score immediately. Now you are asked to get X. Now clearly this is a radii, this is also a radii, so angle at B can easily be obtained. Okay, so since OA is equal to OB is the radius of the circle at center O, this means angle at A is equal to angle at B is equal to 37 degrees. So this in turn means by geometry of triangle, okay, angle at A plus angle at B plus angle at O is equal to 180 degrees. Angle at A is 37 degrees, angle at B is 37, angle at O is required, and this is equal to 180. Angle at O is given as X, so this is going to be 180 minus 7 2s are 14, 1, 74. Okay, so from 180 you subtract 74, 10, 6, 7 minus 7, 0, and you have 106. So X is equal to 106 degrees. Okay, fair enough. Now they are asking us to find the angle at A. Now you watch here, this BD is the diameter. Okay, since BD is a diameter and that triangle BCD is the triangle under consideration, by Thales theorem, this is a very important theorem, by Thales theorem, since BD is the diameter, you can use the word of triangle BCD. This means angle at C, which is created at the circumference, should be equal to 90 degrees. Angle at C should be equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so this in turn means by the geometry of the triangle, angle at C plus angle at B plus Y is equal to 180. I'm going to use the space here. Angle at C is 90, angle at B is 49, angle at Y is needed. This is equal to 180. So Y plus, you add these two together, you get 139 is equal to 180. So Y is equal to 180 minus 139. So what do you get? From 180 you take away 139. 741. So Y is equal to 41 degrees. This is a lovely question. We have answered all the parts of it.